To all of you who are supporters of Tesla, we have some wonderful news. Earlier this year, the renowned megaman Elon Musk met with South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol, which suggests that Tesla is formulating plans to work with Korea. There are also rumors that this meeting is a covert indication that the EV behemoth will be constructing a massive gigafactory in the land of the morning call. If you're interested in learning more, follow us as we dispel these rumors with crazy bits of evidence. Although Tesla originally coined the term gigafactory to describe its battery manufacturing sites, the term now refers to all of their locations, not just the first one built in Nevada in 2016. If you don't believe us yet, here's what happened during South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol's meeting with Tesla CEO Elon Musk in Washington, D.C. The two finally spoke up about the matter, leading to the conclusion that Tesla will build a gigafactory in Korea, according to a Korean newspaper agency. The meeting was summarized and mostly focused on the president's statement that South Korea boasts world-class manufactured robots and an advanced labor force, making it an ideal location to run a gigafactory. The same information was also shared on Twitter, and supporters are ecstatic. According to the news agency, Musk added that he would travel to South Korea and that it is still a top contender to host a gigafactory. In November of last year, Musk and Yoon virtually met to discuss the possibility of building a new gigafactory in Korea, which was already on Tesla's short list of possible locations. While Yoon stated that Korea has a world-class automotive industry, would endeavor to strengthen rules to make it simpler for foreign investment, the meeting was canceled. Yoon and Musk was originally scheduled to meet in person during the B20 summit in Bali, Indonesia. However, since Musk was unable to travel to Bali, they decided to meet online instead. Although there is no record of the discussion, it appears that Yoon was more explicit in his support of Tesla, specifically offering direct support rather than broad government regulation action. In response, Musk stated that he planned to visit South Korea and that the country continues to be a top contender for a gigafactory. The presidential office's release statements also provided us with some insight into the situation. It states that after Elon Musk informed him about his plans to construct a gigafactory, the two brilliant minds discussed ways to collaborate on an investment in Korea related to the production of electric vehicles and on global technological innovation. In response, Musk stated that he believes Korea is one of the best investment prospects and intends to select after carefully examining investment requirements such as labor availability, technological advancements, and the production environment of Asian candidates. At least that's what the statement said back then. But at the time, there were rumors that Tesla was considering building a gigafactory in Canada or Mexico. Yoon said that Korea has a world-class automotive industry ecosystem and investment conditions. It's been a while since the virtual meet, and with electric vehicles expected to grow at an explosive rate in the coming years, Tesla needs to upgrade and build gigafactories in other locations. Even the company itself announced that it would build a gigafactory in Mexico, potentially quelling rumors of other locations. According to statistics, Tesla hopes to grow sales 50 a year going forward and might sell 20 million cars by 2030. If that happened, Tesla would need to open gigafactories all across the world. And there's no better place to start than with Asia, is definitely seeing Korea emerge as a major participant in the EV market. South Korea would also be the best location for a new gigafactory because of its highly qualified workforce in the automotive robotics and smartphone industries. Not to mention the fact that the EV sector is booming in the country. Government assistance, technological advancements, and a thriving automotive industry to promote EVs have made the country a leader in the EV industry. Hyundai and Kia are two of the largest producers of electric vehicles that Korea has given birth to. And Korean battery companies like LG Chem, Samsung, also collaborate with numerous automakers worldwide. Tesla already operates a normal factory in Shanghai. Consumer demand for EVs is also growing quickly due to factors like increased air pollution concerns and a need for more environmentally friendly transportation options. We take all of this into consideration. Now is probably the best time for Tesla to work with the country. These laws have forced businesses to invest in the EV industry, which has resulted in the sector's growth in South Korea. In addition, the top battery manufacturer in South Korea, Analyses, has agreed to pay $2.91 billion to supply Tesla Inc. with cathode, which is an essential component of batteries for electric vehicles. As per our regulatory filing, this means that NF will supply high nickel cathode to Tesla and its affiliates for a period of 2 years from January 1st, 2024 to December 31st, 2025, in case you missed it. Now, NF is among the top 3 producers of cathode in Korea. The value of the deal was calculated using LNF's most recent cathode sales price and will fluctuate based on how much lithium prices rise or fall. Still, $2 billion is a significant sum of money. Musk has previously said that he believes that Korea is one of the best places to invest, and he plans to make a decision after carefully considering factors like labor standards, technology, and the working conditions of Asian candidates. Musk also says that he wants to get involved in Korea's infrastructure for charging electric cars, claiming that Tesla continues to use Korean suppliers for superior parts and that the country is a leader in the fields of artificial intelligence and autonomous driving. With all of this in mind, there is a good chance that Tesla will construct a new, massive gigafactory in Korea. Tesla Economics even commented on the issue on Twitter. A gigafactory in South Korea might open shortly. Musk Elon. What more proof do we need? Guys, is Tesla planning to build a gigafactory in Korea? Share your ideas with us in the comments section below. In addition to Tesla, President Yoon expressed hopes that Korea will work with SpaceX. He stated, "I hope that our cooperation with SpaceX will further expand to foster Korea's space industry. Korean businesses like Starlink services are prepared to participate in Mr. Right." Musk's new venture. Sources claim that iResearch will launch its low Earth orbit mission. Satellite-based communication system. Other industry sources also state that KT stated the Korea Telecom large satellite service provider is in talks with SpaceX about launching a Starlink service. However, we're not sure how much of it is accurate. Starlink in Korea, SpaceX wants to work with Korean telecom provider K. President Yoon stated that if Tesla, SpaceX, or other companies consider making more investments in South Korea, including building a gigafactory, the government will try its best to support the investment and is preparing a tailored approach to grant some advantages to these specific companies. He added that undoubtedly the nation is very keen to fund the business, with retail investors in South Korea having purchased Tesla stock for $2.8 billion by the end of 2022. One thing is for certain: Elon Musk will have something coming up with Korea sooner or later. Additionally, the Korean Securities Depository disclosed that in 2017, local day traders acquired $160 million worth of Tesla shares. At the meeting, President Yell stated that he would actively support Tesla in terms of location, human resources, and taxation if it made the investment decision. If we were to analyze and draw conclusions, the following is a list of things to take into consideration. President Yell will stop at nothing to help Musk collaborate with Korea at this point, and it's not just about Tesla, SpaceX, and other technologies. These are some other things that he's interested in us working on. Guys, this means that the likelihood of a gigafactory in Korea is high. So perhaps we should wait and see. In the meantime, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to leave a like.